I do have a couple little tricks that will really cut down on that mascara creeping down below your eyes. Step 1, mascara on the top lashes only. Do not put mascara on your bottom lashes. Why do we open our mouth when we put mascara on? Notice how we do that? I actually don't know what it does, but we all do it. Let me know if you don't. Now we're gonna come in with your concealer and blend that concealer right underneath the eyelashes all the way up to your lash line. Next step, a little bit of loose finishing powder. Get up all the way under there. If you're thinking, sister, I am missing that definition that the mascara gives me when I apply it to those lashes, go in with the liner. See how little I added, but look at the difference in the two eyes. See how this is popping? And then I never go further over than the middle iris. You can just kind of dot it on just to give you enough underneath those eyelashes. I hope you like this tip and I hope it helped.